सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू योर केमिस्ट्री। In previous video we have discussed about the just kinds of the structural isomerism. As I promised you, we will discuss a lot of questions regarding to the calculation of isomer. So now the time to discuss about those questions. So first of all, I would like to take just this is the question. Calculate total isomers. Total isomers. First is your, this is the C5. You can take just your C4H10 when it is your alkane. Another is your second, that is your C5H12. Again it's your alkane. Third is your C4H9, C4H9Cl, it's your chloroalkane. Fourth is your C5H11Br, this is the bromoalkane. Fifth, that is very important compound. For this we can take just your C3H8O when it is your carbonyl compound. We'll discuss what is the mean of carbonyl compound. This is the sixth compound, C4H8. You can take over here C3H6O, C4H8O2 when it is your carboxylic acid. This is the seventh compound where C3 you can take H9, and when it is your amine. We'll take another question regarding to amine also, that is C4. This is your H11 and this is the N, again your amine. We'll take ninth question, C3H6, you can take Cl2. These are the dihalides. The 10th compound is your C6H4Cl2. This is the 11th compound. This is the C7H7Cl. This is the 12th question, C6H6, you can say C6H6O2, and this is your 13th compound as a C7H8O. These are the important formula regarding to the calculation of just your isomers. So first of all we'll go with the first compound. This is the solution first. This is the C4H10. Common formula is your CnS2n plus 2, where n is equals to your number of carbon atom. CnS2n plus 2. N is equals to 4. So this will be 4 to the 8 plus 2 10. The total number of hydrogen is your 10 hydrogen. So it is your, for the 4 carbon atom, it is your butane. Regarding to butane, first of all we'll go with the normal N chain. Second we can take iso chain like this. On balancing, here will CS3. This is the CS2, CS2 and CS3. This is the CS3, HCS3 and CS3. Generally these are known as N-butane and isobutane, but IPC name will be butane for this, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl propane will be the name of compound. Regarding to the first question, now I would like to go with the second question. Here is C5, this is the S12. C5H12. Again, here will follow addition of, this is the CN H2N plus 2. 5 to the 10 plus 2, 12. So this is the pentane. First isomer is your CS3, CS2, CS2 and CS3. This is the pentane, simple, and this is also called as N-pentane due to having the normal structure. Further, it's your iso structure. Remaining carbon will be over here. On balancing, it will be as follows. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 carbon atoms, so it will be 2-methyl. 2-methyl. This is the butane. If we will go with the third, then it will be neo chain. Surrounding to it, it will be 4 carbon atom, CS3, CS3 and CS3. The name of compound will be 2,2-dimethyl, and this is the propane. 2,2-dimethyl propane is the name of this compound. So for C5H12, here is only 2 isomer, while for C5H12 it will be 3 isomers. Total isomer as a structural isomer will be 3 isomers. 3 isomers. So this was about the question number 1 and question number 2 we have discussed. Now the time to discuss about the just third question, and it's not visible in video. C6H6, this is the O2. We can take over here 12th compound, C6H6O2. Now I would like to go with the third compound. The third compound is your C4H9Cl. This is the third compound, C4H9Cl. If you will go with this, then it adjusts the following just common formula, CnH2n plus 1, and this is the Cl. N is equals to 4, so it will be 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 Cl. So it will be your chlorobutane. Chlorobutane as a compound. So first of all, we can take a normal structure, CS3, CS2 and CS2. Further, we'll go with the B structure. This is the iso. Remaining carbon 3, 3, 1 and 2. 3 and 3, 6 hydrogen, and 3, 9 hydrogen, and 1 of the chlorine. So it is the iso structure. Further, C is your secondary, because here is the substituent CS3H, CS2 and CS3, and D is your 3 degree, will be the isomer CS3 and CS3 and CS3. If we'll go with the name of the compound, then we can nomenclate them 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the 1-chloro-butane. This is the 1, 2, 3. This is 1-chloro, 1-chloro, 2-methyl. This is the propane, 1-chloro, 2-methyl propane. This is your 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your 2-chlorobutane, 2-chlorobutane, and this is the 1, 2, 3, 2-chloro, 2-methyl. This is the propane as a just isomers. So here will 4 isomer for the formula, 4 isomers. This was about the just C4H9 here. Now the time to discuss about the C5H11Br just as a alkyl halide. It will take just a lot of space. So read the just third question and take a screenshot. Now the time to discuss about the fifth question. What is that? Listen me carefully. This is your fourth question. C5H11Br. Again it follows CnH2n plus 1 and this is the Br. This is the alkyl bromide. This is your alkyl bromide. If you will go with this formula, then we have discussed for the 5 carbon, it will be 8 substituents. What are they? Listen me carefully. This is the N, CH3, CH2, CH2, and this is the Br. Second is your iso. This is the iso structure. CH3CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, and this is the Br. C is your N-iso is your neo. This is the neo structure. This is the Br. And we have discussed in isomerism, if there is the substituent and substituent is your Br, so it will be just for formation of the some of the carbon chain also as a 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree. So regarding to it, this is the D, this is your 1 degree CH2Br, this is the 1 degree CH2Br, this is the 1 degree CH2Br. Because of for the 1 degree, it will use of CH2X for 1 degree, CHX for 2 degree and CX for your 3 degree alkyl halide. These are the alkyl halide. So all of are 1 degree. Now the time to discuss about the just important, that is your secondary active. This is the Br, CH3, CH2 and CH3. This is the active pentyl bromide. You can say the secondary active pentyl bromide. E is your, this is the CH3, CH, this is Br. This is the iso secondary active pentyl bromide. Now F is your CH3, CH2, CHBr, CH2 and CH3. This is the secondary pentyl bromide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Seventh is your G, that is your 3 degree, CCH3, CH2, CH3, and this is the Br. And H isomer will be your active. This is the CH3, CH2Br. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be the isomer for the C5, your H11Br. The name of compounds are just, this is the bromopentane, bromopentane. This is your 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 bromo, 3 methyl butane will be the name of compound. This is your 1, 2, 3. You can say 1 bromo, 2, 2 dimethyl, 2, 2 dimethyl. This is the propane. 1 bromo, 2, 2 dimethyl propane. For this, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2-bromopentane. This is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-bromo, 3-methyl butane is the most important. Regarding to this, we can take just 3-bromopentane, 3-bromopentane. This is your 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2-bromo. This is the 2-bromo, 2-methyl, 2-methyl butane will be the isomer, and this is the 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1-bromo, 2-methyl butane will be the final isomer for the C5H11Br. So it will be 8 isomers. This was about the next question. Now the time to discuss about the fifth important compound, that is your carbonyl compound, and rest of the question will be discussed in the next video, because of it will take a lot of time, and do the practice till 1 to 5 question, and rest will discuss tomorrow in the next video. Sorry. So this is the C3H6O, fifth question. C3H6O, when it is your carbonyl compound, and as a carbonyl compound we have discussed in nomenclature also, carbonyl compounds are aldehyde and ketones. This is the aldehyde and this is the ketones, C3H6O. So first carbonyl compound is your CH3, CH2, CHO. Second is your, we can take function group as a CH3, CO, CH3. Third, we can take your CH3 as a ketoenol isomerism. H will be shift over here, so it will be OH and double bond CH2. This is the aldehyde, this is the ketone, this is the enol. If we'll go with the further, then we can take the example of just your unsaturated alcohol, CH2CH, CH2OH, 1, 2, 3 carbon, 3 to 5 and 1, 6 hydrogen, and one of the oxygen. Further, we can take another example. This is the CH3, this is the CH double bond CHOH, 1, 2, 3 carbon atom, hydrogen 3, 4, 5 and 6 hydrogen, and one of the oxygen. Now the time to discuss about the cyclic or just unsaturated ether. This is the CH3, OCHCH2. This is the unsaturated ether. Once again, 1, 2, 3 carbon atom, 6 hydrogen atom. Now the time to discuss about the cyclic ether. 1, 2, this is the CH3, and we can take another as a substituent as a cyclic ether. So CH3 will be as a substituent, then it will be CHCH2. This is the O. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 isomer regarding to this formula. So we'll take 8 isomers. This was about the C3H6O. सो वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. इसी टाइप से अपना प्यार देते रहिए, सपोर्ट करते रहिए. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन video will be second and will add another question also regarding to the calculation of the isomer. Till then, shukriya, dhanyawad.